Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University, and we'll take a look at a Java topic today. And we had a look on this topic like several times, so I'll just start with an example and I won't teach you anything because it is gonna be question. And the topic name is constructor. We have seen this topic many a times, so yeah, I'll just head on straight with an example. And if you don't know about this topic, you can just look at our previous videos. You'll find it very easily. We have covered this topic many times. So yeah, I'll start with an example today. Okay, so I have this class which is app. So this public class, okay, in this class what I'll do, I'll make constructor and a method. So for method, let's say I'm doing void. Let's name our method as constructor. And it does print out America. Okay. So now let's create a constructor. And it prints out New York. And yeah, for it to be a constructor, the name of the class, it should also be constructor. So let me create another class with the name constructor. So we'll proceed with that. I'll just remove it. Constructor. So I created a class constructor which has a method constructor and a constructor which is also like the name of constructor. It is similar to the name of the class within it is present. So yeah, the name of constructor, it is also constructor, and the name of class, it is also constructor. So I have a question for you. Like, I am creating an object here for class constructor. Okay, let's name it C. And let's call this method c.constructor. So I have a question for you guys, like what should be the output of this code? It is pretty basic, pretty easy. I have discussed it many times. So yeah, you just answer in the comment section. You have 5 seconds to close the video and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, if we run this code, it is printing out New York and America. Why New York is printing out first and why America is printing out late? So there is a reason, because this is our constructor and it is our method. So the method is printed out later than the constructor, because the constructor is called as soon as we create the object. So here we created an object C of class constructor. So yeah, that's why it is printing out New York first. If we do like, let's do it, make it static, and call constructor dot constructor. And if we try to run this code, so you can see it is printing out America, New York, and then America, because we called a method constructor before creating an object of this class constructor. So yeah, so constructor, it will be called later than the method constructor, which we called before creating an object. So I hope it was clear to you guys. It is pretty easy topic, and if you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also take a look at our other videos, and you can also rewind this video. Yeah, if you still have any doubt, you can ask us. If you have any suggestions for us or how can we improve, you can just tell us in our comment section. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.